Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So we can use about integration by substitution, but in this one I will use about trigonometric substitution. So I will put 5x plus 1 equals to tan t, because if I put this one go in here, you got about tan t square, and later that we put this one into secant of t square and we can simplify ds. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this, because number 20 that is about number 4 multiplied by 5. So 5 ds we can transform into this one. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to this one, so I will put this one go in here and we calculate. So you got t equals to negative b over 3. Now the second one, so I will put this one go in here. So we have t equals to b over 3. So this one that is this one, and this one that is this one. So how can I get this one and this one? So the first thing, when we put this one go in here, you got about number 5 cancel number 5, negative number 1 and negative of the square root of number 3. So negative number 1 cancel positive number 1. Now we just have only the negative with the square root of number 3. So we want to find the value of t. So we need to put about octane of negative of the square root of number 3. So you got this one. Similar for the second one. This one that is about tan t. 5 ds that is about this one. So this one we have secant of t square, and now we can simplify. So we have number 4 dt. The integration of this one, we have number 4t, and we put the bounds from negative b over 3 to b over 3. So we have the final answer. So this is the final answer. So we have 8b over number 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.